we are at IndiaWood 2026, celebrating the second day with SCM. We have Mr. Kunal Roy, the Director of Indian Subcontinent with us. So, Mr. Kunal, what's the most unique products that SCM is showcasing in this event, and what are their special features?
Hi, very good morning. As you know, IndiaWood is a prominent event, and we have been showcasing our potential in panel processing and solid wood. So this time we are showcasing a 5-axis, which is 5.5 meter bed with electro spindle, and that's a CNC machining center. And we are also showcasing our industrial range and banding machine, which is Stephanie. We are also showcasing some joinery machines and for application of panel processing in solid wood. So I think we have around 6 machines for display, where you can get a decent understanding about our range, and of course, these are technologies which are one of the best from the SCM.
India remains a rapidly expanding market for the woodworking industry. How do you view its recent growth trajectory, and what key challenges do you foresee in the current landscape?
So, of course, India has been a very powerful market. In the last few years, we've seen it growing drastically. In 2023, the market size was around $23 billion, and it is expected to be around $40 billion by 2030. So I think it's a CAGR of around 7.5 to 10%. And I think it creates an opportunity ground for every player in this market. And I think there's food for everybody in India market. That's the speciality of India. Challenges, of course, every industry has its own challenge. I would say, yes, one of the challenges is that the industry takes care of people right from the carpenter level to people who are at small scale, mid-size and industrial level. So, of course, most part of the segment is still unorganized. But yeah, the market is evolving. It's getting better day by day. It's getting organized, I would say. And I look forward to more and more innovations coming to the market. And today, every player wants to, bring in new innovations and technology. So I think it's a good playing ground, I would say. More than challenges, I see opportunities in this market for us. Thank you.
SCM's presence in IndiaWood emphasizes groundbreaking innovations. What digital achievements can visitors expect to experience at the event?
So the best part about SCM is that, we already have IoT solutions, we had MES solutions, but we recently acquired a company called TechNest, wherein we have expanded our portfolio on the digital ground, wherein we are working with companies to to give them, production advisories, to give them various kind of service bundles, wherein it is about the advisory as well as control, as well as, suggest them on improvements. Okay, so I think today the package that we have on the digital services has become much more wider, much more broader, and I think in the coming few months you'll see our focus is going to grow more, because the Indian market needs a lot of digitization, and I think our focus is on servitization, wherein we'll be ensuring that yes, we are closer to the customer as technology brings us closer. That's the best part.
Customer support plays a crucial role in enhancing your experience. Can you elaborate on the after-sales support available directly on the show floor, and how you ensure seamless service for your customers?
I think buying machines is the first stage, but the most important stage is what do you do after the machines. So SCM machines have very rugged quality, very strong build quality, probably the best in the market. I think today we have a huge amount of machines in the market, and today we are spread across different locations in India. We have our partners in various parts of Indian subcontinent, wherein we are ensuring that we are able to provide our services within 48 hours to all our customers. And of course, we are targeting to ensure that the first call to all our customers goes on any service issue goes within the first shift itself on when the call is registered. And our objective is that we become as close as to our partners, our customers are our partners. So we ensure that they have sleepless nights by ensuring that the back-end support is as strong and robust.
Thank you so much, and all the best for the remaining days.
Thank you so much.